Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to unban someone from your server. So let's get started. What you want to do is go to the server on which you banned someone, and you want to click right here and you want to go to your server settings. Now you want to go here to moderation and you want to click on bans. When you have done that, as you can see, you have everyone banned on that server. If you can't find them, just search them. Now what you want to do is click on them and you want to revoke ban. Now this person is unbanned from your server. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.